Have you ever cracked your neck and wondered why it feels so good? Many people assume it's just harmless relief, but it can be riskier than it seems. So what's actually going on inside your neck? I'll explain, but if you don't want this to happen to you, tap like, hit subscribe, share, and leave a heart for him. That popping sound comes from gas bubbles being released in the fluid around your joints. But if you force it too much, you can strain or even damage blood vessels. In rare cases, it could lead to serious issues like a blood clot. But how many times did I say neck?